way to remove negative energy.
I'll give that snow clearing job a D+, because you still got to get up there on the roof and stuff. So you passed, but you didn't pass. At least your windows are clear, but still, stop it. Go pull over and get the rest of that snow off. Okay. I think that guy failed the assignment. First one of the year. Dude, get that snow off your roof. It's gonna fly off at some point. Stop it! And I gotta make a clip of that Toyota turd behind me. He's going in the snow video. Yeah, a lot has happened. I just had to go to the grocery store today.
Changes your mind, yell that.
Nissan drivers, really, get that snow off of there. Stop it!
Dominic.
Holy crap, look at all that snow on the roof. Stop it! Clean it off! Toyota turd, I give that snow clearing effort a D-. Go home and try again. Woo, boy, look at that blizzard. Whoa, jeez. Lots of snow flew off. Holy shit, look at that. Wow. And also, like, half of the window in the back is covered up too. What the hell's this guy's problem?
Yet a slightly different person. There's a lot that's really important in this, but let me give you one right now. With each phase...
I know it's still snowing, but you gotta do better than that.
Look at the dashboard, piece of shit, right? Because it was all like plastic. Oh, Christ, look at this thing. You know, he didn't want to buy a foreign car.
It would help if you cleared off the window back there.
Yeah, shit like every single day. May I kick a little something?
You gotta do a little bit of a better job getting snow off the roof there. I'm just saying. Covering the back window. That guy over there did half of it for some reason, but ignored the driver's side half. It's like some weird duality thing going on there. That's just my theory. I don't know. Really? You gotta clear off the back window. What are you doing? Stop it! Oh man, this is like a tale of two cities with that Mazda right there. It's like he cleared off the left side perfectly fine, while the right side and even part of the window is blocked too. Bad, bad, bad. Stop it.
Some organisms emerging from primordial ooze within a mere 200 million.
Oh, jeez.
Even though scientists
look at all that fly off. And clear your back window too.
Clearly had no trouble in its orbit to be extremely long.
Back window. Clean it off. You may want to clear off your back window there. It's like today, it's like the third or fourth one I've seen of people that can't seem to get their window cleaned off for whatever reason. It's like, go to a dollar store, they got ice scrapers there, use it! People need to scrape off the snow and stuff from their back window there. Bad, bad, bad. Stop it. I'm just waiting on all that snow to fucking fall off. It sucks I gotta be behind this guy, but I got a left turn coming up. Come on. Just a little sudden gust of wind. It'd be a great YouTube clip. Come on. Toyota turd. You got snow covering up some of your windows there. You gotta not do that. Man, those Dodge Ram drivers. Typical.